Hello guys, I'm Madeline and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to get from low poly spaceship to the high poly model of the spaceship. Let's start it. Yes guys, we are back with the spaceship. Today we will subdivide every single plane. Because for the moment the spaceship it's somehow low poly, so every single face will be smoother. Now let's start. I can select these pipes because they already have the subdivide modifier, and if I select the rest of the object, wait, I will hide the cables for the moment, and with Ctrl L I can copy the modifiers. Also again I need to enable the shortcut UI. I always forget about this part. And what I need to do else, because the faces will be apart, I need to get a solidify modifier. So if I just go to the local view, I can get to something like that, and I need only the rim. The back of it's unnecessary. Now I can work on the model. Also, let's disable cavities, and I will apply the solidify modifier. Let me get it. Always have to take in count the faces in the middle. Now they look fine. Everything is fine. Yep. And here I have the cut. And what I need more to do, it's to add a cut here, but as you can see the flow here, it's turning like that, and that's not what I want, because it's gonna give me an edge here, and I need it to follow this shape, so it's gonna just mess up everything. Like in this case, what I can do, I will follow this line, Control B, and the problem is solved. Still need to fix some faces around here. That's a little bit better. So that's the first plate. Let's have a go. Only rim. Okay, perfect. GY, and yes, it's pretty much gone. It was poking too much outside, and for this side I'll go more like this. That's a good looking circle, and a hard shape around here, still poking out too much. Okay. Yep, that's a good looking shape. Let's get to the next one. Maybe I will do this face. This should be a little bit challenging because I have a lot of geometry going on. The flow, it's a little bit strange, so for that reason I need more coffee. 0.07. Every single corner needs to be solved, because here it's a strange shape, like it's going inside, and after that, after the solidify modifier for the planes, for the normal planes, it's going just like that. But for the ones that they already having, it's another plane. Also, this point is poking out too much when it should be just like that. But I guess that's all for the moment. Yes, so I can add the cuts now. Okay, so this one it was straightforward. Now for the other one, I had to play more. Now that's better for seeing how the shape is going. Like for these creases here that I've created, maybe I will keep them like that. They don't look bad, so I can just get the shape around here to match. Let's carry on with the next panel being here. So solidify 0.7 or something close to those points, even thickness only rim, and I can apply. This plane is more simple because I don't need to solve any messed up points after the solidify. It's just straightforward giving that edge. So I will disable the auto smooth. Let's see what I can do here. Okay, that's a pretty cool shape. I like the outcome from here. Still I need to do this crease here. Now I'll need to match this point here, so let's see. Yes, somehow like that. This looks just perfect to me. For this shape, I guess I don't need to do any more. The solidify will disable auto smooth, and I'll get the shapes right. Now maybe here, but I still have this. This here looks already fine. Like I don't need to make any cuts for this shape. It's already in the best way. Now here I will need to solve this edge. I don't want it to be this close one to another. Yeah, that's good. So I can do the same here, or yep, like this. Of course, because I copied the modifiers from the pipes, the solidify modifiers from every object who was having solidify is just gone. I will add it back that's pretty much what I have to do for every single piece. I will finish up the model for subdivision, and see you in the next one. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and subscribe to see more. Bye.